Alright guys, right now we are test fitting Tim's new wheels on his Cressida. Got the jack over there. He picked these up on Kruber for a pretty good deal and couldn't pass it up, so yeah. Let's see how they fit.
How do you tell Kruber to hit us up?
Kruber, hit us up. I think if you guys watched the car wash video, you will have seen it, but they are, I guess I won't tell you yet, but we're just gonna test fit them. They got no tires on them right now, so taking these boys off and throwing the new ones on. Are these torque to spec?
Yeah, freaking Ryobi spec. So this is the only racing caliper on the whole car, dude. Oh yeah.
Oh, nice. Those Brembos?
Yeah, basically. I mean,
that's pretty cool.
This one caliper is painted. I don't know who did it. More than likely, the caliper went bad and someone replaced it, and they had a red one.
First person lug nut.
Some small boys.
We can play football with that wheel.
Oh. All right, let's hit the road. Want to go for a ride in the Power Wagon?
Hey, give us a bozo call. Start driving. Hey, my window's not up. Or not down. Hey, the window's not working.
Exhausting suck.
Alright, we're on our way to O'Reilly's right now to get some lug nuts for these new wheels. Look at that old boy spec wheels, so they got some
mag style shank lug nuts.
Yeah, what he said. Bag secured. Tim only bought 4 of them because that's about what the bank account allowed.
Cressida.
Yeah, look at how rusty this boy's stuff is. Pretty sure they're not supposed to be yellow.
See, it goes on that one fine. I think the other one's just screwed up.
Yeah, it was kind of the same on my Previa too.
I mean, why do you just need one as long as it holds it on.
Yeah, we're just test fitting. We're not actually driving, guys. Don't worry.
Why not drive? No tires on the wheels?
No, not that. No, it's not that.
Blown turbo? Oh,
no.
How dirty this got just from the drive we went on.
Ugh, blown head gasket. Look at that all over the ground. Those 5Ms, man, I'm telling you. You're loosening it, aren't you?
Yeah.
What?
Step inside. Prepare to be amazed.
Alright. Let's go see these pizza cutters.
Oh. There they are. Them things.
This one.
This is not the coolest one. I also found the best way to tell which one's got the higher offset is just by standing on them. So that one's a higher offset, goes deeper. These ones, thank you. These ones are the same, and those two are the same. So these ones are gonna be the rears, and these are gonna be the fronts.
Ah, they don't fit, dang it.
Never had wheels like this, man. So weird.
Does it hit the caliper?
I don't think so.
Why are there not more thread?
Oh, that's a good question, Connor. I don't know. I don't think it hits the caliper.
Flipping the other way.
I don't know. I'm just talking about this lug nut design.
Oh.
I've never seen something like that.
Oh wait, that's how it's supposed to be?
Yeah.
That's weird. So it's not hitting a caliper?
I think so.
Like you felt it go onto the hub?
It's hitting, it's definitely hitting.
The caliper? Oh yeah.
Yeah. Grab that spacer that's over there. Grab the impact. I don't think it's a really good idea to run a spacer though.
On this style?
Yeah, because I mean, and it doesn't have as much thread to grab.
Oh, it is kind of weird.
I don't know, we'll try it.
At least for the test fit.
Yeah. It's freaking odd. It's not touching anything though. What would it be?
Oh my gosh. Dang, that's pretty solid.